guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, we are doing like a fidget review. So yeah, so let's get started. But before we do this, start this video, you guys need to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bell in 5 seconds. Do you think you can do it? You don't? Well, I think you can. So let's time you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally 1. Okay, you did it. You did. Okay, so you did do it. So that's great. Thank you for doing it. So let's start. So yeah, I got this I got this fidget packet. I don't know where I got it from. I'll give you details where I got it from in the description below. So let's get started. So I did not open it, so I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna get back to you when I've opened it. So yeah. Okay, right, I've opened it as you guys can see. So let's just I'm just gonna show you what's inside. It's pink. So, first thing, guys, I'm going to actually close my eyes. So, it's this, guys. As you can see, I'm closing my eyes, so I can't really see it. So it's this. What does it say? Oh, it's so cute, guys. I don't know if you saw, but it's a blue teddy bear pocket. It's really cute. Let's open it. When you open it, there we go. So here's it. It's really cute. Guys, wait. I'm gonna do the bad side so you can do the good side. Gee, it feels so good. Even the good side feels good. Sorry about my hair, guys. It's a little bit messy. Let me just check it out for you. 1 sec. Sorry about that. Okay, right. Sorry. It's a mess, but. Oh well. So you guys, you can do the good sides. Right. Okay, you can do it. Okay, done. Okay, so that's the first thing I saw. So guys, I know, look at that. I'm so sorry. Okay, now next thing. There's like a big pack of stuff, but we'll get that later. Oh, it's just a normal, simple dimple. It's not anything special, really. The normal original one, OG one. OG. Here it is. That's such a mess, but here it is. It's different because it's like different colours than the OG ones, but it's still like OG looking. So here it is. Here we go. Okay, do you guys want to go? Okay, you've had a go. Okay, next thing. Oh, it's just Among Us pocket, guys. So you can see Among Us better. So yeah, I love Among Us. Do you guys like Among Us? Yeah. It's sad because fidgets are banned in our class, but not in our school. Not, I don't know, in our class. So here it is, guys. Hello. Thanks, character. And you know it's good because there is a new update on Among Us, and you can have like a rainbow skin. I don't know if you can, because like it might just because you know I do like game videos Among Us, so it's probably why I can see it. Yeah, and not you. I know. So tell me in the comment below if you have it. So here it is. Okay. Next. Oh, I guess that's it, guys. So, nothing else, but let's just put the wrapping in the bag. So here it is, guys. So, yeah. Open it. Oh, there's like a bag, so I'm going to close my eyes. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, in here there's 3, what are they called again? Marble mesh, 3 marble mesh, green, blue and yellow. there is bits for the house. Oh, there's one of these things. So if you don't know what marble mash is, guys, I don't know, there's marble in it and you can just do along. So yeah, this one we'll open them at the end because we're going to open them because now it's just got this thing. Infinity Cube. It's more teal than blue, but on camera it looks like blue. There is also there is 4 pop tubes, orange, a green, a red, and a yellow. No, orange. No, yellow. Kind of looks like orange, but it's yellow. Actually 2 wacky tracks. Blue and red and a green and blue. So yeah. Next there is 4 mochis. There's this one. Oh sorry, what can you say about Loki this? This one white. And this bright yellow one. And my favourite one, the pink one. So, next, there's 1 fidget pad. So, yeah. There is 3 mini monkey noodles or monkey strings. I don't know what you call them. There's a purple, a pink, and a green. I'm happy about this. A purple and pink because they're my favourite colours. 2 peas in a pod. It's like, I don't know, have they all key rings? Anything. Sorry. 1, I don't know what this is, a bike thing. I don't know what it's called. And 5, I don't know what these is. Put like, these things. Put them on your finger and you can like play with them. And something. Okay, and next is, oh that's it. That's it, guys. So now I'm gonna open them all and play with them. So let's open, what should we open first, guys? Should we open, what should we open? Let's open the wacky tracks. I'm just gonna open one. You know, I feel like the same, but it's different colours. So I've got the blue and the green one. Kind of hard to open them, but so hard to open them, guys. Okay, we'll do them later because it's hard to open. Let's open the Infinity Cube. That one was easy. Get it out. Okay, here it is. It's really fun. I think they're all like this pink and teal. It's blue for you guys on camera, but it's teal. So yeah, really fun. Let's just put this here. Wait, did something come out of this packet? It's probably just a Infinity Cube. Next, let's open a mochi. Let's do a pink one. Actually, let's do this one. Open it. These are all hard to open, guys. Me struggling. You know what, actually I'm just going to do a review and I can do it like opening them and like playing with them in another video. So yeah, I hope you like it. Bye guys. Bye. I'm sorry about my hair again, so bye.